In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to export a Notion database to Excel. Start by going to the Notion website and signing in if you are not already logged in. Once you're in, you'll land on your main dashboard, where you can access all of your pages and databases. From there, look over to the left sidebar and find the database you want to export. This is important because the export option works from inside the specific database page, so make sure you open the correct one before continuing. Once the database is open, go to the top right corner of the page and click the three-dot menu. This opens the page options for that database. In the menu that appears, click Export. You'll now see the export settings. Find the export format dropdown and select CSV. This is the format you want because Excel can open CSV files easily, making it the simplest way to move your Notion database into a spreadsheet. Next, check the Include Subpages setting. Set it based on what you need, but in most cases leaving it off is the cleanest option if you only want the main database without extra content attached. That helps keep your export simple and easier to work with once it opens in Excel. After that, click Export again to start the download. Notion will prepare the file, and your browser should show a download prompt. Save the zip file to your computer in a location you can find easily, like your Downloads folder or desktop. When the download is finished, open the zip file and extract it. Inside, you'll find the CSV file for your database. That CSV file is the one you'll use in Excel. Now open Excel, click File, then Open, and browse to the CSV file you just extracted. Select it, and Excel will load your Notion database into a spreadsheet. If you want a quicker option, you can often just double-click the CSV file in your file system, and it should open directly in Excel automatically. And that's it. Your Notion database is now exported and opened in Excel. If this helped, hit like and subscribe for more quick tutorials. A quick tip before you go: if the data doesn't look exactly the way you expected, that's normal. CSV exports usually bring over the raw table data, but not all of Notion's visual formatting or advanced page structure. If your database has complex properties, it's a good idea to quickly review the columns in Excel and make sure everything imported the way you want. Once you confirm the file looks good, you can start editing, sorting, filtering, or saving it as a standard Excel workbook. That's all you need to do to export a Notion database to Excel quickly and cleanly.